In today's video, we're going to be unboxing the Mindful Souls monthly box. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and hello if you're new. Make sure that you subscribe, that way you'll never miss out on another video. Okay, so I am in a baggy ass sweater. My hair is not even done, but I wanted to come on here and do this unboxing. It's really cold outside today. It's so muggy and like dull outside. I just feel like these are the vibes today. A big chunky sweater. Who cares about your hair? And let's just unbox, right? So with that being said, I wanted to let you guys know that Mindful Souls is a monthly subscription that you can get with all types of spiritual items, and it's $39.97 a month. But I think if you get like a 6-month or 12-month plan, I think they give you a discount. But you know what? What I like about them is if you go on their website, it's a whole boutique. So you can, if you like anything in the box, you can just go and purchase that thing alone. So it's really fun. I love their box. I love how it's curated. I love how they give so many different wide like arrangement and variety of things. So with that being said, let's get into it. I might have a discount code for you guys in the description box below, but I have my little knife here. And what I like about these unboxings is if I get like a crystal or something in here and you guys have it too, I can tell you guys how to use it and stuff like that. So I just find these boxes to be so fun because I can, whatever is in here, I can give you information if I know it off the top of my head, or I can learn more about it, make an entire video. Like, these are so fun. So the first thing that you see here when you open the box is, of course, the card. And then I'm not gonna look at the back of the card, you guys can see it, but that tells you everything that's in it, details about it, what it's used for, and stuff like that. So here's what the inside looks like. It looks like it's packed with goodies. So the first thing that I always like to pull out is the affirmation cards. So in this one, it says, love flows through my body, shines in my face, and radiates out from me in all directions. So it's an affirmation for love. Usually I will put these on my fridge or like in my journal, but this one specifically, because of what I just read, I'm gonna put it in my bathroom mirror so that I can see this in the morning every single time I look at myself in the mirror, or anytime you look at yourself in the mirror when you're putting your face cream on, or you're washing your face, or you're brushing your teeth, or you're going to sleep at night. You look, you know, whatever your beauty routine is. So I feel like this is really good to put where all your beauty products are. Yeah, this is really nice. I love that affirmation. The next thing that I see here is a sticker, and it says free spirit. I hope you guys can see it. I don't know if the camera's gonna pick it up. It's really, really cute. It is blue and birds and sky and clouds and a moon, and it says free spirit. This I might put on my fridge. My fridge is covered. I can't wait to show you guys like a little fridge tour so I can show you how I truly do use these affirmation cards and the booklets and the pamphlets that they give us. I use it. Okay, so the next thing I see here, it's a Palo Santo Capaci. So it's a blend of Palo Santo, lavender, Alukima, anise, and quinoa. Oh, okay. So you can burn this on charcoal. It looks like it's just a package of Palo Santo and a bunch of herbs and lavender. I love this. You could burn it on charcoal. You can throw it in candles. So this would be really, really good for cleansing your space, for you know, purifying your space, cleansing your altar tools, your tarot deck, photos, cleansing your house. This is basically very good for purifying the air and getting rid of negative energies, negative entities, negative anything in your house. Really good, and they do give you quite a bit, so this is good. The next thing I see here comes in this baggie, and if you guys have been watching my videos lately, you know a few things that I like to do with these baggies I've shared. But if you want a whole video about how I use just little bags like this, let me know, because I save these and I use them all the time in my dryer, in my bathroom, mojo bags, protection bags. I use them for everything, you guys. But ooh, look at this. This is really cute. You know what I love about Mindful Souls is their jewelry pieces are huge. If you guys can see, look at the chain, very good quality. And then we have that tree that has all 7 crystals in it for these 7 chakras. And in the middle, it looks like it might be a pearl, moonstone, or abalone. So on the back of the card, they do tell you what everything is. So this is a Harmony of Life necklace, which I really, really love. And it has various powerful stones. So opal, red agate, rose quartz, citrine, lapis, and jade. And this is to awaken your destiny, divine purpose, while still, you know, feeling balanced and harmonious. So this would be for, you know, a very, very ambitious person that needs to tone it down a little bit, or just find balance and find harmony in their ambitiousness, you know, not get so caught up and lost in it. This is something that's very good for a person like that, which is kind of like a person like me, you know. If I could work, I would work all day. So this is nice. This is so pretty. It's so big. And imagine if you're just wearing a black or pink or any color shirt and you just throw this on. That's all you need. The next thing I see here is in another little baggie. I get so excited for the bags, you guys. But it's a bracelet. So here's what the bracelet looks like. I've never heard of this. It's a snake stone bracelet, and it's basically for, like we were talking about, like very busy people and people that just get kind of intertwined and intermingled into that hustle bustle culture too much, you know, and you burn yourself out. This is a really good bracelet to be wearing if you find yourself in those situations. The next thing I see is also in a little baggie, so that's 3 baggies I have. Ooh, it's so exciting. I freaking love the bags, you guys. But this is a crystal, I think. Ooh, I do not have anything like it. As soon as I touched this crystal, I felt something. There's a tingle in my fingers. What is this? So this is a serpentine tumbled stone. And this is good for developing a distinct inner peace that makes you untouchable by negative energy. It hardens your psychic shell to make it impossible for the bad energy to penetrate, and keep it with you during meditation to help with protection. So a lot of snake type of stuff in this box, which, you know, snakes for me, I related to my own spirit guides. There is a snake in there, and then Shiva has snakes around him, and then Vishnu has snake around him. So I could give these things to any one of those deities, so that's really exciting. There is this very unique type of an energy, you guys, that I feel from this crystal. Let me know if you guys can pick it up through the camera. As soon as I touched it, there's something about this crystal and my energy. It's very, I can feel something. Okay, so the next baggie that I have here, it's a little bit bigger. I love when there's different sizes, you guys, because then I could put even more herbs in it. You could even like put your herbs in here if you're going on vacation and you want to keep your own tea. These are perfect. Oh my goodness, you guys. It's a set of 3 abalone shells. They are so cute. Do you guys see these? Oh my God, they are so cute. Look at that. Look at the outer shells. And it's 3 different pieces. This is so cute. I'm gonna definitely be giving this to my Vishnu and Lakshmi because they will love it. Oh my God, this is gorgeous. So freaking pretty. You know what? I just got a very, very good video idea for these abalone shells. I'm so excited. Look at, and you know what? The backings are like pinkish white, very feminine. I love that because, I can't wait to give this to my Vishnu and Lakshmi. They will love it. I'm so excited. And, you know, I have a few videos on how you can use abalone shells. You can burn incense on them. You can burn bay leaves in them. You can, you know, keep herbs in them. You can keep your jewelry in them. You can keep your wallet on it. You can keep cash and change on it if it's like a big one. There's so many things you could do with it. But I have a really exciting video idea that I want to do with these, so expect that really soon. Okay, the last thing in this box, that was a lot of things in this box, right? And I got myself a lot of bags. This one, let's see what's in here. So it feels like a crystal. Oh my goodness, you guys, it's like a cloud. It looks like a cloud. What is this? So it's an aquamarine stone. If you feel like there's emotional congestion somewhere inside of your house, you could put it there. This is nice, okay? So if there's too much fighting in an area of your house, or there's too much fighting between you and a person, just put this crystal right in front of a photo of you both, or in that area of the house where you spend the most time in. It's a stone of the sea and the sky. So this is a stone of the sea and the sky, and I see why they say that. Look at that. How pretty. Oh my gosh. Alright guys, so that was everything in the box. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. I'm very, very excited about this box. You guys know I talk about this a few times, but every time I do an unboxing on my channel, I'll unbox everything because I'm filming it for you guys, so me and you will see it first. And then I put everything back in the box and I take it to my boyfriend, and then I have him unbox it so that I can see his reaction. Because you guys get to see mine. I don't get to see anybody's reaction, so that's what I'm going to do right now. And I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you very, very soon. Bye.